Ramadan is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar. It is a time of great significance for Muslims worldwide. This holy month is a time for spiritual reflection, self-improvement, and community. Muslims observe Ramadan with fasting, prayer, and acts of charity. Ramadan is a time to strengthen our relationship with God. It is also a time to connect with our communities. This special month reminds us of the importance of compassion, generosity, and forgiveness. Ramadan holds deep historical and spiritual significance. It marks the month when the Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. This revelation, a guiding light for humanity, emphasizes faith, morality, and social justice. The Quran's message resonates deeply during Ramadan. Muslims strive to embody the Quran's teachings through intensified prayer, reflection, and acts of kindness. This period of introspection helps us understand ourselves and our place in the world. Fasting from dawn till dusk is a central practice of Ramadan. This physical act of abstaining from food and drink serves a profound spiritual purpose. Fasting disciplines the mind and strengthens our resolve. Fasting fosters empathy for those less fortunate. It reminds us of the struggles of those facing hunger and poverty. This awareness compels us towards generosity and charity. Ramadan is a time for increased prayer and community engagement. Muslims gather for special night prayers called Taraweeh, where long portions of the Quran are recited. The breaking of the fast, iftar, often becomes a communal event. Families and friends come together to share meals and strengthen bonds. The month culminates in Eid al-Fitr, a joyous celebration marking the end of Ramadan. It is a time for feasting, exchanging gifts, and expressing gratitude for the blessings received during this holy month.